What you want? The theater, a bad man, baby. Yo, see, na 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 na. I do say, yere yere yere, yere yere yere.
Room 7250. Hello. There's Lizzie. This is room 7250 on the Carnival Horizon. Got a nice closet here. A little bed space on that one, which is weird.
Show all the storage options.
Yep. There is slidey slidey. So you got a good stuff here. Here's actually pretty cool. They got little shelves. These actually fold down to make shelves, and back there they got a little bar to make a little bar. And we have the bathroom since we're right here. Nice dual sink. Toilet, of course. And a very nice spa. It smells really bleachy in here, so they cleaned it nice and well, I think. And then we have a good sized TV. The convertible couch, all of our water, because it's hot.
You gotta show the
You gotta show the what?
storage.
Oh, storage, sorry. Storage.
Mini fridge.
Storage, mini fridge, and then there's a little one there as well. There's a towel in the bed. In our little bar area, we call it.
The desk. The
Yeah,
safe
desk.
is underneath on
Yep.
the right.
Safe is right here. More drawers, and each one of these has a little bit of storage under as well. And then under the bed, you can put all of your luggage.
No USBs by the bed. So
Nope, no
make sure you
USBs.
bring extra. If you have some on the shelf there.
And this is the deck overlooking Miami. So it's of decent size, pretty long. 2 more chairs on that side. And here is the view of downtown Miami Beach. Here's the causeway in downtown Miami. And we are on deck 7, so there is the promenade deck on deck 5. Ta-da! And that is room 7250, Carnival Horizon.